Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove suggested for you on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram application, and if you see suggested for you page, what you have to do is click on the three dotted button on the right side of the post. Click on not interested. Now it is showing that post is hidden right now, and then you have to select snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. Click on it. Now you're done. You won't be seeing any sponsored reels or any sponsored posts on Instagram. Now, if I scroll down just a bit, as you can see, there's another suggested for you post. Now, in order to truly hide them, what you have to do is click on the Instagram written on the top left side of your screen, click on the drop down menu and click on following. Now, on this page, you won't be seeing any suggested for you reels on your feed. If you scroll down, you will be only seeing the reels of all the persons that you have only followed. And you won't be seeing anything you don't follow. And that's simply how you can remove suggested for you on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.